Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's our topic how to calculate floor tiles in meters. So first of all we have to select the size of the tile. As we know that in our market we have different size of tiles available: 12 inches into 12, 12 into 18, 12 into 24 inches, 12 into 36 inches. As we have selected the size of the tile 12 into 36 inches, and we have a room size 14 feet into 16 feet. So the formula to calculate the number of tile is equals to area of room divided by area of one tile. So now we calculate this. As we have selected the row size of the tile is 12 inches into 36 inches, so we convert this inches into feet. As we know that 1 feet is equals to 12 inches, now convert the tile size inch into feet. 12 inches divided by 12 inches is equals to 1 feet, and 36 divided by 12 inches is equals to 3 feet. So in feet the tile size is 1 feet into 3 feet. Now we have both the tile size and room size in same units. Let us calculate the area. Area of one tile is equals to 1 into 3 square feet. Area of room 14 into 16 224 square feet. Put the values in the formula, that is equal to number of tile is equals to area of floor divided by area of tile. Number of tile is equals to 224 divided by 3 is equals to 74.67. So we can say that 75 number of tiles required for this room of size 12 inches into 36 inches. Now we calculate tiles in meter. As we know, the area of room is 14 into 16, that is 224 square feet. So we convert this to square meter. As we know that 1 square meter is equals to 10.76 square feet. So the area of room 224 divided by 10.6 is equals to 20.81 square meter. So we can say that we require 21 square meter tile for this room size, that is 14 into 16. Thank you for watching this video.